Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5077241, because of these error codes. So if you're receiving one of these errors, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to go to Windows settings and then go to Windows Update. Over here you can see pause update option, hit pause over here. Once paused, resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Find app readiness, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, click on OK, make a right click on app readiness and then click on restart. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click and then click on restart. Now scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK, make a right click on Windows Update, click on restart. Now once done, you can go back, and if you see retry option, you can retry and then check. Still not working, you can run these commands. These commands are provided in the video description. Type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab, make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator, click on yes to allow. Copy the first command, all these commands are provided in the video description, paste it, hit the enter key. Now this will run a scan. Once the scan is 100% complete over here, copy the second command, paste it over here, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command and then paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete, then restart your computer, and after the system restart you can check. Still not working, you can use Microsoft Update Catalog. You can open this link. The link is provided in the video description. Open this link in a browser, it will take you to Microsoft website. Over here you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5077241, click on search and then check your Windows version. So type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command, and here you can see version 25H2 in my case. Then go to system in Windows settings, scroll down, go to about option and check your system type. So it's 64-bit operating system in my case. So for me it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64 base system. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me this is the right one. Now click on download and then click on KB5077241 over here and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, install this update manually and then restart your computer and then check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option over here, scroll down, go to recovery option, and then here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time, and once this is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working, the last step is to use media creation tool. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. On this website, scroll down, here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now and then you can run this exe file. Run this exe file and then click on accept over here. By default Windows 11 will be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish. Let this close automatically. Go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept. Over here you can see ready to install. By default the option to keep personal files and app will be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked and then hit install. This process will take some time. After the installation, restart your computer and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully on your Windows 11 computer. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.